I'm going to show you how Steam Blaster is going to restore this oxidized headlight in less than a minute. Here we go. Spray it on. Immediately Steam Blaster gets to work. You see all that oxidation running off? That damp cloth? Wipe. Try it again. Let's see if we have any more left behind. One more. See that? Wipe him again. Now, what we're gonna do, let's rinse him off with some water. Take a dry cloth. Just wipe him dry. Now bear in mind, you might see it look hazy, but no worries. We're gonna put the eye drops in the eye now. It's called slicks. Put a little on that, and then we just restore it, just like that. How you like that? There you go. There you go, viewers. You've seen it. Now slicks is the must-have once you're using Steam Blaster. Slicks is basically your eye drops for your headlight. You clean it, slick it, get it. Sullivan and Company. Steam Blaster. Gets it out fast.